So we are leaving Lake Powell now on our way to Dallas Executive Airport, on our way to Pompano Beach, Florida. Look at this beautiful scenery in the background, Lake Powell. Absolutely spectacular, the mountain set here. This is our TBM 910 with the Garmin G1000 NXI system. We had a nice tailwind coming in at 47 knots, so we were doing about 350 knots cruising in. And just join us now for our next flight out. The scenery here is just absolutely spectacular. We hope you enjoy this flight with us. This is Chief Flying Officer. If you like my video, please hit like on our page. Thank you. All right, this is how we transfer our flight plan to our Flight Street 510. We click on Send to Panel. You can see over here we get a message that says one pending flight plan. Enter, activate, and we have our flight plan enter there. We'll sync our fuel. And there's our flight plan in. Right, so we are en route from Page to Redbird, climbing through 21.2 up to flight level 310. Today we have on board our Song of the Year Latin Grammy winner, Mr. Yatuel Romero.
I'm here, guys. Yeah.
He's the co-pilot for the flight today.
We fly to Vegas.
The Page traffic after 20.
We had nominated one. No, we win.
Archer, well, 8,000.
Two Grammys.
Grammy.
Two Grammys. Urban Song of the Year and Song of the Year for Patria Vida. Alright, we've begun our descent into Redbird Airport. We're descending into 17,000 through flight level 250.
Center, good evening on board 3608 275, descending 240 at Pond.
Runway 3608, Port Center, descend me the Victory 2, arrival at Dallas Fort Worth, altimeter 3021.
Send me the Victory 21 on the meter on board 3608.
DOCOM 2292, contact regional approach 118.1.
18-1, 2292. Approach, X-ray Alpha Victor Charlie Mike, leaving 6,000 for 5,000 with you.
X-ray Alpha Victor Charlie Mike, regional approach to maintain 3,500, and you want runway 13 today?
Yes, sir, it's possible, runway 31, Victor Charlie Mike, into 3,500.
Roger, executive wind is, oh yeah, here, 1604, you want to try 31, you said?
Can you repeat for the Victor Charlie Mike, sir?
X-ray Alpha Victor Charlie Mike, the wind is 160 at 4 at executive. And you said you wanted to try
Landing gear.
31. They are
Landing
south.
gear. Landing gear. Landing
Yes,
gear.
sir, we don't have a
Landing
problem
gear.
with,
Landing gear.
wind. We can
Sink
able
rate.
to complete to
Pull
runway
up.
31.
Okay, I'll give him a call and ask if he can go the wrong way.
Roger,
Pull
sir.
up.
Victor Charlie Mike, thank you.
Sink rate.
X-ray Alpha Victor Charlie Mike, expect the visual approach runway 31, advise executive airport inside will be here 11 o'clock and 15 miles.
Roger,
500.
Victor Charlie Mike. Looking for the airport.
Victor Charlie Mike, flighting 040.
Heading 040, Victor Charlie Mike.
Friendly 449, proceed direct torch.
Direct torch for 449.
Airspeed.
Había uno metido, ¿no?
Phenom 1887 Bravo, regional approach. Descend to maintain 6000, expect 13 left.